Rapids. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
Why are you running? That's not an animatronic bird. Here we go, riding Calico River Rapids in January. I'm gonna get so wet.
It is kind of a little tiny bit warm, so.
I remember wading through all of this.
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I don't want to run. I love this queue. I love all the different trees.
Yeah, that actually feels like a forest.
It does though.
Yeah, it does feel like a forest. Look.
Like it feels like you're in the woods. Oh man. Bridge. Oh man, it's like empty. We're gonna get wet in January. That thing wrecks me every time. Whoa, friends! They're almost the same size as mine. Wow. Here we go into the cap. Donkey! Somebody. Okay, I can't sing that. The Bigfoot. You can't have guns in a theme park. Oh, here we go. We found the back of the line.
Giant cave.
Alright. Here we go. Let's take a seat. Charlie, get him. Yeah, it's on. Still never done the one at Disneyland. Alright.
It's okay. That's
Here we go. Calico River Rapids in January. Oh my god. Here we go.
Wait, is this
Oh boy.
Isn't it?
Ah! Uh-oh. I'm already wet.
Oh god.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my back is red already.
Oh man! You're feisty today, man. Whoa, little delayed. Oh man! Oh man!
Okay, I'm not that wet.
My back is red.
Oh god. Oh, not the raccoon.
Oh.
Oh! Charlie, your turn. Oh! Whoa! Oh, man! Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, okay, that was
Probably not getting wet.
Oh, whoa. Oh, man.
Ah.
Chilling for you. Whoa. There he is. Bear.
Right there. Oh, it's cold.
Ahí viene aquellos.
Not mine. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I thought this is the worst splash. That's when we all get wet.
Uh-oh, we're going into the cave.
I'm gonna get wet here.
Into the cave we go. Is he working?
No, he doesn't want that.
Oh, still not working. Oh, whoa, Bigfoot. Oh no, oh no, it's me. Alright.
Yeah.
I'm not that wet.
I am.
My entire side is so...
Oh my gosh, my back.
Se llama como la paradera.
Bigfoot isn't even working. Why are they screaming? I don't know. He just stopped working. He started like growling.
Oh, this is wet.
Yo.
Man, that ride's fun.
I think I kind of got the least wet. Because I'm not that wet. Just my hands are wet.
My shoes are wet. My left.
My shoes are the least wet part.
Yeah.
Alright, that